Welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today we're going to replace the cabin air filter in this 2018 Fit. First thing you got to do, open your glove box, take everything out. You have to drop this, push on this side and this side, push it down. See the little tabs here? So you just squeeze it in and it'll drop apparently all the way out. So it has these little spots here. They fit on here and here. So when you need to put that back on, you can really easily. Now in here, there's two little tabs. Press on the tabs. Okay. It says up, right? So when you pull the filter out, this is the air filter. So the air flows down through here. That's why all the dirt's here. You can see all the dirt in here, bugs and debris, little things. So, pull out your new air filter. On the side, it tells you the direction of the airflow is down, right? So you want to put that back in. So the solid sides, like here, they're solid, and they go on the sides. And you just slide that back in. Okay, lock it in. Now, let's put the glove box back in. Set the glove box in here on the tabs, slide it over the tabs, and then just raise it up. See? So that's it. It's quick and easy. It's inexpensive. You'll save probably $40, $50 doing this yourself, and super easy DIY. All right, thanks for watching.